Hi and welcome back to another review. As you can see, we've got another pair of trainers. These ones are purchased from thaikick.ru. All details for Thaikick will be in the description of this video. These ones are for my nephew actually, and he's got bigger feet than me, so it'll be good to look at these once we get them out of the bag. As you can see, they come in the standard mailer. Underneath it, usually you have a brown cardboard box, then the box that the trainers come in themselves. So yeah, once I've opened this, I'll show you exactly what you get. All the details for Thaikick will be in the description of this video. There's also a discount code, which you can save yourself some money off any trainers on their website. It doesn't have to be these exact ones. It can be anything that they have on their website. I just want to show you what they originally come in. So then when you see it, you know exactly what you're going to get. Delivery time was about 15 days from the point of getting the QC photos, which is absolutely fantastic. Cannot fault that at all. So what I'll do is I'll get this bag open and then I'll show you what box they come in. Okay, so when you take off the FedEx bag, it actually came in two bags, which is a bit strange. But yeah, there was two bags that it was wrapped in. This is what you get underneath. So it is a brown box, as I said, but this is what protects the trainer box itself. And I have already attempted to open the side because before, when I've tried this, I've made a right hash of it. So I'll give you the first look at what trainers we have got. We have some Air Jordan 4 Retros, Smoke Grey, and as I said, these are for my nephew, UK 11. So yeah, bigger than my feet. I doubt I'll be able to open this with one hand. No, I can't. So I'll cut back and then I'll show you, and you'll get the first glimpse of what trainers we have ordered from Thaikick. Okay, we've got them out of the box, and this is the actual trainer box they come in. So I'll give you a full look around. You have seen this side already, which is the one that tells you what trainers we've got. The box itself is quite standard. It's got a bit of a bash up there from where it's posted out. The bottom of the box, you do have the Nike information. And then this side, you have the Jumping Man or the Nike information again. What we'll do is we'll open this up, and here is all the information for Thaikick. So that's their website, their Instagram, their WhatsApp, and there you go. Matchy CX will save you $15 at the point of checkout. And as I said earlier, it doesn't have to be on these trainers, it can be any trainers on their website. All this information will be in the description of the video. So if we open the lid, and there is your first look at what trainers we have ordered. So as always, I'll get both of these out and I'll show you a detailed look of each one. Okay, they're both out of the box now, and we'll start with the left trainer. And there's a slight smell of glue, which is expected. You do get that with a lot of these trainers. Stitching around the front looks good. Got the texture there. The air bubble, nice and squishy. Jumping Man. Just try push them all in. That feels good. So you got the laces. I do like the feel of these actually. They feel really nice. In the side. Get it out. We just have some tissue, which is obviously what keeps the trainer in good shape. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you this because it's quite a way down, but that's all your information there. If we can get it in focus or not. There you go, UK 11, QR code, and all the information on the trainer itself. Bottom of the tongue, you have the Air Jordan. Obviously, these are all laced up already. At the bottom, we'll take a look at the grip, which looks good as well. Okay, keep going out of focus for some reason. That's our left trainer. We'll cut back and we'll look at the right one. Okay, we're back and we'll take a look at the right trainer now. the left one over there. And you start on this side. Again, you've got the air bubble, which feels nice. There's a tag on this one actually, which is a Nike tag. Got some information there. We get inside, put the tissue again inside just to keep them in shape in transit. I do really like the colour of these. The jumping man at the back. Texture feels lovely on them. Take a look at the grip. And that looks good as well. Nice bounce back on them. And actually the grey laces I think go really nice with them. A lovely pair of trainers. Okay, and there are our Air Jordans from tykick.ru. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. As I mentioned earlier in the video, there is also a discount code, a MatchUCX. If you use that, you'll be able to save yourself $15 off at the checkout. And this is all the information here. All this information will be in the description of the video, so don't worry about writing it down right now. So it will all be in there. I purchased quite a few trainers from Tykick, and always I am absolutely blown away with the service and the quality of the trainers. They are always really nice. I've got so many pairs now that I've bought, and people see them and they don't want them. Like I said, these ones for my nephew. So yeah, spreading out how many people have them. If you have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions and messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'd also be interested to know if anybody else has used Tykick, and what trainers did you buy? Was the service good for you? And yeah, just tell me about them. It's always good to talk to people on here. Just noticed, got the indent of the jumping man on the tongue now. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed these. I'm sure my nephew will love these when they arrive to him. So I'll probably hand them to him over the weekend. This video is going out on Friday, so he'll probably get them, if you're watching this on a Friday, he'll probably get them on Saturday, which I'm sure he will be happy about. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Just give you that final look at these Air Jordans from tykick.ru. 15 days delivery, cannot fault it. Thank you very much for watching. All details will be in the description of the video, and I will see you in the next one.